Good.
Okay, here's Razi cleaning off Ivy's babies.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Yeah, she loves it, eh?
And she likes it, eh?
I know.
She likes it. Okay,
Yeah.
it's like a massage to you? Eh? A professional massage? Hmm?
Oh, yeah.
Razi is your father and your uncle and your everything, eh?
It's okay.
Choose. I cannot now have my massage.
Look
I
at her.
cannot decide. I'm the lucky one here.
What are you shaking, little one?
Precious.
Look, the little one. Hello.
Oh my
okay.
God.
It's okay.
She doesn't even
Are you
resist.
cold?
Hold on a minute.
Mama is here. You
Okay.
see, Mama is coming.
Okay, Razi.
Mama is coming.
Oh my God. Okay, Razi.